I'm Carol Roy with VSM TV, and today I am joined by the Stratus Technologies group of Tom Joyce, who's the General Manager of Avance, and Lee Kaminski, the Product Manager for Avance. How are you guys today?
Very good, thank you.
Excellent. Well, welcome to Las Vegas. Lee, why don't you start out by giving us a little information about Stratus?
Sure. Well, for almost 30 years now, Stratus has been providing fault-tolerant solutions. We've been the experts in availability for coming up on 30 years. And recently, we have launched our software high availability product, Avance.
Now, Tom, you just recently joined the Stratus team. Tell us about your new role.
Well, I'm responsible as General Manager and Vice President for the entire Avance organization, which includes engineering, product management, marketing, and sales. And we'll be looking to take this business to the next level. You know, we're really about 9 months since the GA of the product, and we're at the point now we've got a product that's doing well in the early stages of rollout. So the main focus going forward is going to be focusing on how we can sign up the right kinds of partners, and that's probably one of the main things that we're doing here at this event this week is identifying partners that can take advantage of the technology that we've developed and have a need for a combination of virtualization and high availability.
Now, Stratus is releasing a new version of Avance. What can you tell us about that new version?
Well, sure, I'd be happy to let you know about that. We actually have released it now. Our latest version of Avance, including availability and virtualization, what we've done is taken a step towards disaster recovery, a very first step, and that allows our solution to have 2 servers in very distant locations, up to 3 miles apart. We call it campus-wide split site. And what that allows a group to do is to install Avance, to use Avance in a highly available mode. If they choose, they can put the second server in some distant bunker where it's safe, and it gives an extra level of availability in the event of localized disasters like lightning strikes or even theft.
Well, Lee, why is fault tolerance important in virtualization?
Well, that's a great question. What's happened is virtualization really matters. Everyone's figured that out. What everyone has started to figure out is that as you virtualize and put more and more virtual machines on a single physical server, the results of a physical server going down significantly worse now. It used to be if you had an application, it didn't matter, or a couple applications that went down on the server, it didn't matter. Now with consolidation, it's very, very important to have a high availability solution.
Now, Stratus is a platinum sponsor of Citrix Synergy this year. What is your relationship with Citrix?
Well, we are an OEM of Citrix Zen Server. I think what we've done here with this product, as Lee's described, is we've combined virtualization technology together with high availability in a way that you can make it very simple for a small or mid-sized business to deploy a complete solution that takes care of all their virtualization and management requirements and also does it in a highly available kind of a way. So we're looking to expand our relationship with Citrix and with Citrix partners. So the 2 things that we're doing with this show this week are really educating many of the partners and the customers that are coming on why this matters, where high availability is going to be important, what the risks are of not having a highly available virtualization system, and then looking at ways that we can partner with Citrix to integrate with more of their technologies. We've spent a lot of time hardening the Citrix technologies that we use and taking them to a point where they can be truly highly available, and we're looking to do more and more of that type of thing in terms of our relationship with Citrix.
Absolutely.
Now, for folks here in Las Vegas with us, what will they find at the Stratus booth?
Well, at our Stratus booth, you can get an example of both our FT server, our hardware product, as well as our Avance software product. We've got both running. We've got demos, not only based on Citrix and with some Citrix applications, but some of our other partners in the electronic medical records space. You'll be able to see the range of availability that we offer, from full-up fault tolerance approaching 6 nines to any availability solution that fits an organization's needs.
And for those folks who couldn't join us here at the event, where can they get the most up-to-date information on Avance and everything else that Stratus offers?
That's an easy one, www.stratus.com, just like it sounds, Stratus.
Tom, Lee, it's been a pleasure. Thanks for joining us here at Citrix Synergy.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.